How you doing, Mike Innovative Door? Part 4, 5, 6, whatever part this is for this video. There it is, man. We got this guy. We got it back in action. 630-495-5700, your commercial garage door one-stop shop. Just show you a little bit of what we did here. There's all the pigeon turds. We oiled this, we spliced in this piece of track here. You can see this jam is just completely destroyed. Did a little custom fab work down there. What was that? Oh, that close button is stuck. There it is, it's working. Probably loosen up that box. Little different from when we got here. Couple hinges, couple rollers, little spit and vinegar, and a piece of track. Got her done. Thanks for watching our commercial emergency garage door video. I'm gonna pan in on the truck here for the last 630-673-0007 or 495-5700, your one-stop garage door shop. Thanks.